Hey people, welcome back to another episode of Learn Jamaican with me, your official translator, Janice. And for this episode, we're going to what is that? Make a statement. So, okay, so I don't want it, you can have it. So, I don't want it, you can have it. I don't want it, you can have it. Standard English. Jamaican part 1 now is me no want it, you can't have it. Me no want it, you can't have it. I don't want it, you can have it. Me no want it, you can't have it. Me no want it, you can have it. Simple. I don't want it, you can have it. Me no 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 want it. Me no want it, you can have it. I don't want it, you can have it. I, me, don't, no, want it, you, can, have, it, me no want it, you can't have it. Me no want it, you can have it. Have it, Javier, have it. Me no want it, you can't 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 have it. I don't want it, you can have it. That's our episode. See you on the next upload. Bye. As always, the written description will be in the written translation will be in the description. So see you there, and yeah, like, follow, share, and what have you. So bye. See you next time.